Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be showing you how you can actually participate in Arcade 3.0, which is about to begin from 22nd of the July. Yes, the previous season of the Arcade 2.0 is just ended few days ago, and the new season of the Arcade program is about to start from the 22nd of the July. First of all, a big apologies from my side as I wasn't uploading any video from last 6 months. That's because I was on a break, but this time I officially get selected by the Google itself as the facilitator for Arcade 2024. It means for the new season, I will be facilitating you, I will be mentoring you all throughout this season. So it's my opportunity, or it's my duty this time to help you out. So yes, I will constantly upload all the videos regarding the Arcade program, and as always I will be providing you the solution of each and every challenge lab. अगर आपने मेरी पहली वीडियोस देखी हैं, पहले भी अगर आपने फैसिलिटेटर्स प्रोग्राम में या आर्केड प्रोग्राम में एनरोल किया है तो आपको पता होगा कि मैंने अराउंड 200 वीडियोस ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन अपलोड किए हैं. एंड इन द सिमिलर वे आई विल बी हेल्पिंग यू और द mentoring you with my solution video throughout this new arcade program. Okay, so first of all, we will prepare some necessary steps to enroll in this new season, because on the 22nd of the July at the 5 p.m. the arcade facilitator program, not the facilitator program, arcade programs enrollment form would be started इन द इवनिंग. तो 22 जुलाई को शाम को 5 बजे आपके फॉर्म जो है आउट होंगे, एंड you have to fill certain important information in that enrollment form. So we will prepare these information in this video. Okay, so I will be helping you how you can get ready for this new arcade program. So first of all, you need to go to the Google Cloud Skill Boost profile or the platform. I will share the link in the description. So once you go to this URL or the website, you need to create your new profile. You can create your new profile with any email ID you want, or if you have a profile ID on this platform, make sure you don't have any batch in your profile. How you can check that, I will show you further in the video, but first I will show you how you can create a fresh ID on this platform. It's very important to participate in the arcade. Okay, अगर आपको arcade में participate करना है, उसके लिए आपको Google Cloud Skill Boost platform पे ID चाहिए होगी. You can use your student mail ID to enroll. You can use your personal email ID, whichever you want. Okay, so just simply click on the join button first of all. Again, link will be in the description box. Then you need to type everything here manually: your first name, your last name, your email ID, and your company. In the company you can type even your college name, or even any random text would work. It's not necessary that you should be a working professional to fill this form. You can put any name in the company. Okay, so just once you create a account, you will redirect it to your profile. So let me show you how your profile page will look like. So I am about to sign in with my profile, but before signing, I want to say something to you. Keep this point in your mind. That is, you have to sign in manually every time. Don't sign in with Google every time. Simply put your email and password manually. It's very mandatory. Otherwise, you have to face certain circumstances. यहाँ पर ये important step है कि आप sign in with Google नहीं करेंगे. आप manually अपना email and password डाल के फिर sign in करेंगे. Okay? I am saying it with the experience, so just believe me. I will share the reason later on. So once you sign in, you will be redirected to the dashboard of your profile. Here, what you need to do, first click on the icon or the avatar of your account on the top right corner, and you will see a settings button. You won't see the public profile, but the settings button. Click on the settings button, and here you need to make some changes. For example, you can change your player name, your avatar profile if you want. Okay, so you need to check two boxes here. Make sure these two box, this one and this one would be selected, and uncheck this first one, opt me out of seeing points. Uncheck it, and make sure these three are checked in. Okay, once this done, click on update settings. After that, you may need to make your profile public. For that, what you will do, click on this home button, click on this profile button, and you will see a button here, make profile public. My profile is already public, that's why it's showing make profile private, but आपकी profile private है, आपको उसे public बनाना है, that's why you need to click on make profile public. Click on that button and you will see your profile URL here. You are good to go now. Now you are ready to participate in the arcade program 2024 or the July season. One more thing, if you already have account upon this Cloud Skill Boost platform, make sure under this batches section you don't have any skill batch. Okay, this is the skill batch. Make sure you don't have any such batch, otherwise you need to make a fresh id. It's recommended to create a fresh id if you have such batches, so don't use same id, I will recommend. And if you have like fresh id, then you are good to go. Okay, if you don't have any batches here, you are good to go. Okay, so you will be using this url or the public profile url to fill that enrollment form, which would be live on the 22nd of the July at 5 PM. Okay, I would be live. मैं 5 बजे 22 तारीख को 22 जुलाई को live आ रहा हूँ YouTube पे नहीं, but on the Gmeet. So if you want to attend that Gmeet session, make sure you join the WhatsApp group. And for all the updates, it's necessary to join the WhatsApp group, because I will be answering you, solving your query on my WhatsApp group. Because as you already know, I would be selected as the mentor or the facilitator for this program. So make sure you join the WhatsApp group. Again, the link is in the description box, and you are good to go. One more step is there. Go to the arcade official website. Okay, go to the arcade website, and here you need to subscribe to arcade so that you won't miss any notification or the emails, especially the price counter emails. Okay, so what you need to do, simply paste the email id with which you created this Cloud Skill Boost platform. द ईमेल आईडी जिससे आपने अपना यहाँ पर अपनी आईडी बनाई है क्लाउड स्किल बूस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म पे, वो आपको यहाँ पर पेस्ट करनी है. नॉट दिस यूआरएल, द ईमेल आईडी. ओके, यू नीड टू पुट दैट ईमेल आईडी हियर and click on the subscribe button. Once you're done with this, you are good to go. You are ready to participate in the arcade facilitator program. On the enrollment day, you need to fill a unique referral code in that enrollment form, and that referral code would be given in the description box as well as in the WhatsApp community or the WhatsApp group. So make sure you join my WhatsApp group as well as Telegram if you want. So that's it, you are good to go now. You are ready to participate in the arcade. In the upcoming videos, I will be showing you that what you will expect from the arcade, what are the benefits of joining the arcade, what actually is arcade. So that's a different topic, so that we will cover in the different video. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much once again. Keep tuning with me. I am dedicated to this program this time, so please trust upon me. I will keep uploading the video. Thank you very much. Make sure you comment if you have any doubt. That's it. Thank you very much. Goodbye.